Okay, so let's get into these nails real quick. Okay, so this is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. I use this in place of soaking. Basically, it does the same. And then after that, it's time to push those cuticles back. Okay, so now we're gonna trim the cuticle. Now, if you are new to this and not true to this, do not hurt yourself. This process is not supposed to hurt. You're not supposed to feel like you're pulling your skin off. You just clip what is lifted from you pushing your cuticles back. That's it. That's all. You don't necessarily have to do this part. I trim my nails because that's less glue I have to use. That's less stuff stuck between the press-on and my real nail. I don't like that, so I trim my nails. But this part is definitely optional. Next, you want to get your press-ons. This is the ones that I'm using today. It's called Barely There. You size them like that, like so. Place them out so they are easy to apply. Size them to each finger so you put the correct size nail on each finger. And then we're going to buff to get a little roughness on our nail so the glue and the nail sticks better. I'm using a buffer because you could sometimes go too far when you use a nail file. So if you're new to this, use a buffer. The alcohol pad is to clean up what is left over from the buffing. You can also just get up and wash your hands. Either one works. All right. Next, we're just going to apply our glue. I put the glue in the middle of the nail and then I spread it out. I am not pushing glue all over my nail. I am putting it in the middle and then I am spreading out so it can get over the full nail. And then you're going to place your nail on the nail bed at a 45 or is that 90-degree angle, and then push it into the cuticle and then place it down like that, like so. I tend to roll my finger that's pressing the nail down over the nail bed to try to make sure all sides of the nail is flush against my nail. And that's basically it. Rinse and repeat, and you got a new set of nails, okay? This is just me showing you another way to get a good angle on putting that nail on at the 45, 90 degree angle. If you need to place your finger on something, you can do that to get the angle right. Now, each nail usually comes with this little tip on the top of it because it was either attached to something or something. I'm just filing that off, but that's it, to make sure the nail is straight across. And then you could either use your cuticle oil at this point, but I use vitamin E oil because sames, okay? Rub it across your cuticles like that, like so, and then you done. You got you a whole new set of nails that fast. I mean, it was kind of fast, but you know what I mean. A whole new set. There you have it. There you got it. It's been real. It's your girl Fee. Okay. Bye.